Good morning, students. My name is V. Jyoti, lecturer in zoology. I am from Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet. Today topic is polymerase chain reaction. Very important question for BSc BZC 4th semester. BSc BZC 4th semester. Okay. First, what is polymerase chain reaction? The polymerase chain reaction is usually called just PCR. PCR is a common laboratory technique used to make many copies of a particular reagent of DNA. It makes millions or billions of copies from a single DNA within a short time, less than 5 hours. PCR is a technique of gene amplification, making more copies of DNA from a single copy of DNA is called gene amplification. PCR was uh, interned by Carey Mullis. Okay, polymerase chain reaction, PCR. First definition we go, and then for history. Okay, PCR definition is a molecular biotechnical technology used to amplify single piece of DNA by a series of heating and cooling cycle, generating millions of copies of a particular DNA sequence in vitro. Very important. Vitro means test tube to make DNA template containing the DNA region or target to be amplified. DNA primes complemented to the 3 prime end of each of the sense and anti-sense stand of the DNA target. PCR, polymerase chain reaction. DNA polymerase, heat stable polymerase synthesize the new DNA nucleotide, the building block of DNA from each. The DNA polymerase synthesis a new DNA strand, so it become Xerox copy to show this. Okay, the picture. Polymerase chain reaction history. PCR was entered in the 1984 as a way to make numerous copies or many copies of DNA fragment in the laboratory. The in vitro version of DNA replication, beginning with a single molecule of the genetic material DNA, the PCR can generate 100 billion similar molecules in an afternoon. Okay, similar copy of DNA to make the 100 billion copies of DNA. Okay, PCR was DNA is gene amplification. PCR was invented by Carey Mullis. Okay, important. Nobel Prize in 1993. Okay. PCR chain reaction, polymerase chain reaction. Okay, advantages. Okay, we show two, and disadvantages. PCR is a disadvantage. First we see, setting up the running require highly technical skills and high equipment cost and high test cost. High sterile environment should be provided DNA contamination. Okay, polymerase chain reaction principle. Step 1, denaturation DNA at 95 degrees centigrade. The DNA is denaturated, the two stand or separated. Okay, we observe this side diagram. First, denaturation DNA is 95 degrees centigrade. DNA is denaturated and stand or separated. Step 2, primers annul at 40 degrees to 65 degrees centigrade. The primers annul are binding to their complementary sequence on the single strand of DNA. Okay, and cool it. Step 2, DNA polymerase extend the DNA chain. Okay, it start to extend. At 72 degrees centigrade, DNA polymerase extend the DNA chain by adding nucleotide to the 3' end of the primers. Okay, we observe this diagram. These primers, DNA polymerase and nucleotides to attach. Okay, first 95 degrees centigrade, then is called denaturation, and primers 40 degrees centigrade to 65 degrees centigrade. Step 3, DNA polymerase extend of at 72 degrees centigrade. Heat and cool, and after heat, heat process is very costable equipment. And next, polymerase chain reaction principle is PCR amplification. Amplification means to move the many copies to. First, we observe this target gene is read, template DNA, then first cycle is give to 2 square means 4 copies. Okay, first DNA template, then first cycle, and second cycle it give to 8 copies, and third cycle it gives 16 copies, and next fourth cycle 32 copies, and 35 cycles for 68 billion copies. Very important, 35 cycle 68 billion copies. So it important to amplification PCR technique. Next, polymerase chain reaction types of PCR. Quantitative PCR used to measure the quantity of a target sequence, and quantitatively measures starting amounts of DNA like cDNA or RNA. C means complementary DNA. Okay, the qPCR, Q means thermal, we say. qPCR is commonly used to determine whether a DNA sequence is present in sample and the number of its copies in the sample. Okay, it's important to qPCR to identify DNA sequence is present in a sample, the number of its copies in the sample. So it important. Okay, next, polymerase chain reaction types of PCR. Quantitative PCR, real time PCR is important of PCR. Real time PCR, quantitative real time PCR has a very high degree of precision. Use fluorescence dyes or fluorophore containing DNA probes to measure the amount of amplified product in real time. So it used to fluorescence dyes and fluorophore containing DNA probes to a real time PCR. This amplification plot is to identify this was cycle, 20 cycle and 25, 30, 35 cycle and 40. So we observe this. Okay, this okay, we generate many more copies in single standard. Okay, PCR types of PCR. Next is reverse transcriptase PCR. Important. Reverse transcriptase is one of many variants of polymerase chain reaction for amplifying DNA from the RNA, used to quantitatively detect gene expressed through creation of complementary DNA is cDNA. Transcript from RNA to detect RNA expression level. So, the reverse transcriptase is mainly important of detect RNA is important for MS bit. Detect RNA expression level. So, reverse transcriptase and to which the HIV we observe to reverse transcriptase. Okay. Next types of PCR. Next RT-PCR or RT-PCR, very important to identify corona test. RT-PCR commonly used a abbreviation for reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction and not real time PCR is very important. The qPCR is the abbreviation used for real time PCR. Real time PCR is combined with reverse transcription to quantify messenger RNA like mRNA and non-coding RNA in cell or tissue. So RT-PCR commonly used a abbreviation of reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction and not real time PCR. So it same virus detect to used it important to transcript to quantify messenger RNAs, mRNA and non-coding RNA in cell or tissues, important to RT-PCR. Next is common less next this commonly reaction is polymerase chain reaction in many types. So next application of PCR product into one of these techniques important. First, electrophoresis is important to application of PCR and Southern blotting. Okay, Southern blotting means DNA. Northern blotting means RNA recognition. Southern blotting to use to PCR and next enzyme linked hybridization to use to PCR. Enzyme linked hybridization to use to PCR and applicate of PCR cross linked hybridization is next application of PCR another FISH fish cell 2 and application of PCR ASO and application of PCR like direct to sequencing also used. Okay, very important. Southern and electrophoresis, enzyme linked hybridization, cross linked hybridization, FISH and SOS and direct to sequencing also used to PCR application. This, for example, this 800 base pairs and 500 base pair, 200 base pair. We observe a 200, 500, 800 base pair. First diagram. After in ninth one, we observe pre-RNA and ligated exons. Introns and exons, we know it in mRNA formation. So it important. Okay, this diagram show to PCR. Next, application of PCR. Another, according to the field of science, like which field, medical applications is important to PCR to use to medical application, and infectious disease applications, like any infect, like coronavirus, any fungus infections, to use to infectious disease applications. And next to forensics application, very very important. Forensics application, like any some cases, some regarding forensic report of autopsy and biopsy report to applicate to PCR technique. Forensic applications and research applications also used to PCR application in field. Next, genetic medical application, how it PCR used to genetic testing, where a sample of DNA is analyzed for the presence of genetic disease mutations, like tissue types in organ transplantation, very very important. It used to medical application used to organ transplantation, so it is important for PCR. Next, oncogenesis. Oncogenesis means many frame of cancer involve alternation to. So onco means cancer to form to. This also used to PCR technique in medical. Okay, and genetic disease also mutations are used to in medical PCR. Next, infectious disease applications. Infect means the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. Antibodies to the virus circulating in the bloodstream do not appear until many weeks after infection. Okay, do not appear until many weeks after infection. Maternal antibodies mask the infection of a newborn. Detection of a antigen, RT-PCR, very important. Okay, RT-PCR. What is RT-PCR? Because it used to have coronavirus to identify. Is important is antibody, like the bloodstream do not appear until many weeks after infection. Maternal antibodies mask the infection of a newborn. Detection of the antigen RT-PCR. Next, tuberculosis also used. Application, tuberculosis are difficult to sample from patent and slow to be grow in the laboratory. Patient and slow to be grow in the laboratory. PCR based test allowed detection of small number of disease organisms. Both liver are dead. Okay, important of tuberculosis identify. Okay, PCR test, basic test. Next, polymer chain reaction, forensic application. How it used forensic application, like some in genetic fingerprinting, very very important, genetic fingerprint can unequally discriminated any person from the entire population of the world. Sample of the DNA can be isolated from a crime scenes. Crime scenes like is called fluorescence application, and compared to the from suspect or from a DNA database of internal evidence. Okay, very very important, database of internal evidence. Next, parental testing. An individual is matched with their close relative less discriminating form of DNA fingerprint. DNA compared with the that form possible parent, sibling or children. Similar testing can be used to confirm the biological parent of an adopted child. So easily to identify crime scene like fingerprint PCR technique, they used to many forensic report like crime scenes. Okay, next, technologies bright futures, very very important, immunolymphosome important, immunolymphosome PCR. Several advantages over their immune PCR method: ultra sensitive quantitative antigen detection system, reduces false positive by allow non-specific cDNA complement DNA in the easy medium to be degraded. Okay, is immunolymphosomes. Several advantages: it's ultra sensitive quantitative antigen detection system, and reduce false positive by allow non-specific cDNA in the easy medium to be degraded. Next, polymer chain reaction. Bibliography. Okay, this all are this which one we PCR chain reaction. Okay, thank you. Next, to go to another topic. Electrophoresis. Okay, next to electrophoresis is the one minute. Okay, electrophoresis, it is a type of protein separation method which relies on protein size to separate the mixture. Okay, another time I repeat, it is a type of protein separation method which release one protein size to separate the mixture. It is one of the highly efficiency techniques of analysis and solve method for separation of proteins for Western blot, RNA studies, etc. Western blot means it protein to identify RNA is northern blot, southern blot it identify in DNA. But on negative side is also time consuming, expensive and technical skill produced, due to which is less preferred in healthcare. Electrophoresis is similar to another separation techniques like chromatography, but it differs in terms of the type of samples analyzed, the method used for separation, principle used, etc. Okay, electrophoresis, its principle. Electrophoresis is a method of separation wherein charged molecule migrate in different speed in an applied electric field. The charged molecule under the influence of electric field migrate toward positively charged electrodes. Those molecules with positive charge move towards cathodes. Negative molecules move forward anode. Thus, molecule with positive charge move together cathodes and negative molecule move forward anode. So it is important. The migration is due to charge on the molecule and potential applied across the electrodes. The sample under test is placed at one end of the paper near one of electrode. When electricity the applied, the molecules start moving to respectively electrodes. Types of electrophoresis. Electrophoresis free electrophoresis, zone electrophoresis. Like free is micro electrophoresis moving next to boundary. Next, zone electrophoresis, paper electrophoresis, cellulose active electrophoresis, gel electrophoresis, zone electrophoresis. Paper, cellulose, gel is called zone electrophoresis. And next slide. Okay, paper electrophoresis important. Paper electrophoresis one of the zone electrophoresis principle. The charge carried by a molecule the charge carried by a molecule depend on the pH of the medium. Electrophoresis at low voltage is known usually to separate low molecular weight compounds because of the diffusion, but it is easier to illustrate the relationship between charge and pH with amino acid than with protein or another micromolecules. Next, equipment. Filter paper, like paper of good quality should contain at least 90% alpha cellulose and should have only a very slipped absorption capacity is very important. Is Next, apparatus is power pack provides a stabilized direct current and was controlled for both voltage and current output, which have mm, only a very slight absorption capacity. So the electrophoresis cell contain the electrons and buffer reserve and spot of paper and a supporting transport insulin cover. The electrodes are usually made up of platinum. Procedure. Paper electrophoresis is a technique which employ a Watsman filter paper number 1, which is moistured by a buffer then connected at 2 and 2 uh, opposite charged electrodes. The sample is applied onto a one end let for separation of component under electric gradient. After separation, the paper is dried and strained to get color bands. Their color band are recognized for the nature of simple by comparing with the stand. For a sample of serum, 5 bonds of proteins can be separated by paper electrophoresis. This used to paper electrophoresis. Okay, electrolytes, 2 glass plates, pencil line and paper filter. Next, sample application. The sample may be applied as a spot about 0.5 cm in diameter as a narrow uniform streak. Special divots are variable commercially for is P. This purpose, the sample can be applied before the paper has been equilibrium with buffer after it. After the sample has been applied to the paper and the paper has been equilibrium with the buffer, the current is switched on. So this okay. Next, detection and quantitative assay. To identify the unknown electrophogram, compare the unknown electron with the standard electrogram. Understand conduction. Individual compound are usually identified by physical appropriate by the following method: fluorescence and UV absorption. Next, staining with ethidium bromide and substance, and ethidium bromide is used to uh, used to UV light and makes DNA and RNA fluorescence, and thus facilitate their direction. Next, next UV observation. Protein and peptides and nucleic acid observed in the range of 260 to 280 nanometer. This property this can be detected. Next, staining. Staining is first is the proteins, nucleic acid and polysaccharide, lipoprotein, glycoprotein. Proteins dyes used to bromophenol blue in acetic acid and DANSYN chloride fluoros chloride fluoroscreen is next committed visual and quantity and very sensitive and fluorescence used to protein to identify bromomethyl blue in acetic acid to used to very use nucleic acid methyl green pyrene methyl green pyrene and ethidium bromide also used. Nucleic acid DNA blue, RNA red is important. DNA is blue, RNA is red, very sensitive and fluorescence. Methyl green pyrene is important. Next, polysaccharide. Poly means many. Okay, is used to saccharide is carbohydrate, so used iodine is visual and sensitive. Next, lipoprotein used to Sudan block in 60% ethanol is important. Lipoprotein Sudan block in 60% ethanol used, and glycoprotein. This lipo means have two lipids and glycoprotein is used to Alcian blue is important. Glycerol to use Alcian blue. Lipoprotein is Sudan black in 60% ethanol. Polysaccharide is iodine, and nucleic acid is methyl green pyronine, and protein is bromophenol blue in acetic acid to use to this dye staining. Okay, application. Serum analysis for diagnostic process is routinely carried about by the paper electrophoresis, muscle proteins, egg white proteins, milk proteins, and insect venom. And just venom is poison, like analysis done by this technique. Zone electrophoresis, paper electrophoresis, like open script paper electrophoresis, this closed script paper electrophoresis. This we observe this diagram differentiation. So open and closed type paper electrophoresis. This was closed. This was open. So we observe the second. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity. Next time we go to gel electrophoresis we observe. Okay. It's important for PCR technique. and electrophoresis is important to BSc, BJC, second year, fourth semester. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity. Next time we continue.